One day an old lion realized that he was too old to hunt for food. The lion was sure he would soon die. He was very sad and went home. As he walked slowly home, the lion told a bird about his sad situation. Soon everyone in the forest heard about the lion's situation. The other animals all felt sorry for the lion. So one by one they came to visit the lion. The lion was old and weak, but very clever. As each animal came into his home, they were easy to catch and eat. Soon the old lion became happy and fat. One day, early in the morning, the fox came. The fox was very wise. He slowly came close to the lion's home. Standing outside, he asked if the lion was feeling better. "Hello, my best friend," said the lion. "Is it you? I can't see you very well. You are so far away. Come closer please and tell me some kind words, because I am old and will die soon." While the lion was talking, the fox was looking closely at the ground in front of the lion's house. Finally the fox looked up and said to the lion, "I am sorry, but I must go. I am very nervous because I see the footsteps of many animals going into your home, but I see none coming out again." Moral of the story: he is wise who is warned by the mistakes of others.
Thanks for learning something new today. Subscribe our channel and like the video to get to read more such amazing stories on your way to learning and practicing English language.